Hello guys, today I'm going to show you if we do have any application available for our JBL Partybox on the go too. Of course, I'm talking about the basic Android smartphone. And the answer is yes, we do have the application available, and let me show you this application in Play Store. As you can see, this application is called JBL Partybox by Harman Consumer ENC. And apart from that, here, as for the details, it has, I want to show you the details. As you can see, the details is that it's released on 27 July 2020, offered by Google Commerce, required the West, doesn't matter. Downloads 5 million downloads plus, so it has to be a minimum of 5 million downloads. If you find something that has less, this is fake, and now. And that's it actually. Goodbye.